pair my cell phone to the Bluetooth on the coach radio. So we'll start off by going to the menu. We're going to pick the Bluetooth option. Obviously, there's no connection. I'm going to click the cell phone button down here. It says no paired device. I'll go to new. It's going to pair. I'll go to my cell phone. Every cell phone will be a little different, but you're going to go to your settings menu, click on your Bluetooth, turn on your Bluetooth, and it'll search. Your phone will actually search for the unit here. Now it may take, up to a minute or two to pull up the device. And as you'll see, it says XSG3, which is what this radio frequency is. So I click on that. Now it's syncing my phone to the Bluetooth radio in the coach. And there you are, connected. So now, as you can see, my phone comes up on the screen. So now I'm going to be able to send and receive phone calls.